Investigators say staffers at that newspaper acted as wholesale accounts for people when they were covering. The news store has been shut down.